Assalamualaikum. Welcome to the class. It's first lecture. I'm your Umara Ali, your teacher. Our main topic is operations on set. Our subtopic is subset and power set. Before starting any topic, today's topic we have to revise some previous class concepts which we already studied in class 6 or 7. What are the types of a set and what is the definition of a set. If I said the definition of a set is a collection of a well-defined and distinct object. You already know that. Right now I'm explaining the few types of a sets. This is the finite set. It contains a finite or limited numbers of elements which have specific a number of counts. We have a is equals to 1 2 3. These are the types of the finite set. Infinite sets are it is a set which contains an infinite or unlimited numbers where we can't count out that these numbers. This means they are infinite set. Here we have in set form a is equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6 and so on. We don't know the ending point. What is the unit set? We also said call the unit set is singleton, and that contains only one element, which means a is equal to 1, a is equal to 2, a is equal to 3, nothing else. Here we have a is equals to 10. And what is the empty set? That contains no elements. It means we have the empty brackets, or we can say the a is equal to null set or a phi set. Here is a disjoint set. Disjoint sets means two or more sets. If they have only one, no common elements, it means if there is no common elements, it means a disjoint. If we have one common element, it means they are not disjoint sets. Let's see, A and B are the disjoint sets, while the C and D are not disjoint set. Here we have A is equals to 1 2 3 and B is equals to 5 7 9. Okay, in the C 3 5 7 and D 7 9 11 we have a common number 7. That's why C and D are not disjoint sets. What are the overlapping sets? Overlapping set two or more set if they have at least one common element. If there is a one common element, it means we can show that like this, and this is the overlapping sets. Now we have equivalent set. In equivalent set two or more sets if they have an equal number of elements, means a is equal to 1 2 3 and b is equal to a b c, or you can say that c equals to Ali, Alia or Isha. ठीक है, there is only three names, that's why they are all equivalent set. Equal sets are two or more set if they contains the same elements. If they have the same element, b is equal to 2 4 6, c is equal to 2 4 6, d is equal to 2 4 6, or you can say that b is equal to x colon x is a positive multiples of 2, that x is less than 7, not equal to 7 or anything else. This means they are equal. In the universal set is a set which contains all the sets under the consideration. Means they have each and everything. Universal set means each and everything. In our universe, we have sun, moon, earth, all everything. Anything, na? That's why it is called the universal. So in the universal set, similarly, we have the months of the year. We have 12 months, so we can say that. But here we have J is set is equals to it means they carry the alphabets starting from the months, or starting from the J alphabet are in the J set. Similarly, in A set we have the number of elements which starts from the letter A. This means April and August. Here is a Venn diagram too. In the Venn diagram we can say that the universal set shown by the rectangle, and other sets are by the circle. Here is a set of numbers. Set of numbers means we can say that a natural number which is 1 2 3 4. Natural numbers always should be denoted by 1 to 10, and they are 1 2 3, include the number and so on. Okay, similarly the whole number that includes the number that is starting from a 0 0 1 2 3 and so on. The whole number is represented by the W, and it is written as W is equal to 0 1 2 3 4 and so on. Similarly, we have integers that include the positive and negative whole numbers, okay, except 0, which is neither positive nor negative. The set of a natural number is represented by the z. It can be written as z is equals to so on dot 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 minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. We can say that 4, 5, 6, and carry on. We have a rational number. Rational numbers are the number that can be written as a simple fraction. The numerator and the denominators are the integers, but the denominators is a non-zero number. The set of a whole number is represented by the q. It is written as q is equals to x slash x, which is equal to p upon q colon p, where p and q belong to a z. Z means it's an integer number, and q is not equal to a 0. Okay, similarly next one is a number, even number. In even number, they include the integers, which starts from 0, plus minus 2, plus minus 4, plus minus 6, and so on. The set of even number is represented by the e and can be written as in the bracket minus 6, minus 4, minus 2, minus 0, 2, 4, 6, and so on. Similarly, now onward to the odd numbers, which include the integers plus 1, minus 1, plus minus 3, plus minus 5, and so on. Which is the odd number can be written represented by the o, and it can be written as like this: minus 5, minus 3, minus 1, 0, 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on. The last one is a prime number. The prime numbers include the whole number that have only one factor, 1, and the number itself. The set of a prime number is represented by the p. We can say that it comes in only their own table. None of them come with another table. Okay. Now we have today's topic, which is subset and the power set. What is the definition of a subset? A subset is a set that fully contained a bigger set. The bigger set is called a superset. And we have the example: A is equals to 2, 4, 6 is a subset of a set B, which is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here you can see that there is a more elements in the B and less elements in the A. So B having a bigger set. So B is a superset of A. What we have next? If A is equal to 2, 4, 6, how we can make the subset of A? The subset of A are bracket open, empty bracket, 2 bracket, 3, 4 bracket, 6 bracket, 2, 4 bracket, 2, 6 bracket, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6 itself. And null set is always a subset of an every set, and every set is a subset of itself. Remember that. All other sets are called the proper subset. The formula of a subset to find out how many brackets or how many sets we can make. So we can count by the 2 power n, where n is the element of set, and you already know what is the element, how we can count the elements of a set. The number of elements present in the set is called the it's called the elements of the sets. Here we have a proper subset is a subset that contains all the elements of the superset, but the superset contains at least one element not present in the subset. There is a little bit difference. There is at least one element is not present. That's why it is called the superset. Here we have a proper set. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is 1, 2, 3, then the B is a proper set of A, because B contains all the elements of A, but A is also containing one element that is not present in the D. That can be written of B. There is a symbol of a proper set of A. Okay? Now we have improper subset. Improper subset, if a subset of a B and B is a subset of A, then A and B are the improper subset of another. An improper subset contains all the elements as the superset. For example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is also containing 1, 2, 3. Then the B is improper subset of A. Okay, and it can be written as like this. There is a symbol of a improper subset. Okay. Now we have a power set. If A is a power set which is equal to 1, 2, 3, then the set of all the subset of A is called the power set of A. It can be written as P bracket open A bracket close. For example, If A is equal to A comma B, then how we can count the power set? The power set contains A, empty bracket, A, B and AB. The power set of an empty set is not an empty, it consists of at least one element null only. Okay, the formula to find out the power set, P bracket open A is equal to 2 to the power n. Okay, that's all the today's lecture. I hope you will understand. Kindly stay tuned to check it out the attachment to complete your assignment. Have a great day. Allah Hafiz.